And we're back with new technology, and this time I would like to present to you ProdigyGame.com. Very simple website, and the reason why I picked this is because our school is struggling when it comes to English and math scores on tests, and Prodigy.com is focused on math skills, grades 1 through 8. I happen to teach middle school, and I only teach 6th grade. The purpose of this is it gamifies education. It gamifies the rotary practices that students will have to do in order to become proficient or excel at skills until they get it memorized and they're able to do it without having to think about the answer. That's one thing I hear teachers talk about all the time is how we don't have enough time to do math skills, or the students who we have doing math skills don't really need it, and how do we reach the ones who just don't want to do it? Well, the solution that I see is that you gamify it, which is the theme with a lot of these technologies that I'm doing the videos on. The audience for this is strictly the students. I can imagine if teachers and parents would like to practice their math skills from 8th grade and below, they could do this as well. But this website is strictly, from my perspective, strictly targeted towards the students. And as for the ISTE standards, those are also within the students' parameters, both being under the empowered learner. Number 1A, how students become empowered to set goals for themselves to start to do better, and 1C, how it allows students to practice in a way that isn't the math skills worksheets that become boring and routine. And while multiple practices do help the students long term, they aren't looking forward to practicing a skill sheet because it's just boring. And then they associate math with boring and they don't become as interested in it in the future. Prodigy is a tool to help prevent that. Very simple to use. Right now I'm on the parents page. Learn more about Prodigy. We can go back, create a free account, and our schools are one-to-one with Google Chrome, so they all have a Google account that they can sign up with, and it is totally free. Teachers can have access to their usernames or their user codes in order to see their progress and how they're doing. Up here, we can sign up as a parent, teacher, student, or administrator, just so everyone can have equal but different access. Thank you.